Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are going to continue with our conversation about the guitar and playing, starting to learn as a beginner. Mostly when you are on the beginner stage, the beginner level, it's difficult to accept where you are. You are always in a hurry to be at the top, but it doesn't take a day to learn an instrument as quite difficult as the guitar is. Personally, to me, I would say the guitar is more difficult than any other instruments. Yeah, that's how I'll put it. So this is actually a freestyle video. As I said, I usually like playing C, so I love this song. Come and make my heart your home. I don't like this key, so maybe I'll just go to D. Sorry. Come and make my heart your home. Come and be everything I am, all I know. Search me through and through till my heart becomes a home for you. So you can try to move around the fret. Come and make my heart your home. Come and be everything I am, all I know. Search me through and through till my heart becomes a home for you. So in this case, I've moved straight to the A shape. Come and make my heart your home. Then I need the La, the Mi. Come and be everything I am, all I know. Search me through and through till my heart becomes a home for you. Till my heart becomes a home for you. So it's a simple progression. C, so the Do, then the So, the 5, 6, 3, 4, 1, 5. So in the next tutorial, I'll take my time to teach you just the picking for this song. Then we'll see, we'll try strumming as well. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, give a like, and don't forget to share. Thank you for watching this video. Love you.